Hello! It's time for math. We're on lesson 12. I wanted to show you a problem that we've been working on. It's when the word more doesn't mean to add. Okay? Let's say that you want to have 14 stickers. You will have 14 when you get finished. That's your goal. To get to 14, you need 6 more. You need 6 more. The question is, how many do you have now? How many do you have? This is one time. To find out more, we need to subtract. 14 minus 6 equals. Let me show you a couple of ways of figuring this out. We could do dots. We could make our 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could make our 5 groups. We have 14 here. We need 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 more. This shows us how many we have. We have this many, or you have this many, and you need this many to reach your goal. Five, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 stickers. Okay, let's go on and look at some other problems. That really makes my brain think. It's very hard for me to remember that more doesn't always mean add. Okay. If 3 plus 2 equals 5, how much is 43 plus 2? Did you say 45? You are right. How much is 6 plus 2? Okay, if 6 plus 2 is 8, how much is 56 plus 2? How much is 96 plus 2? 98. All right. If 4 plus 3, did you say 7? How much is 64 plus 3? 67. I'm going to be tricky now. What if I make it 63 plus 4? What if I just swap these two ones around? Do we still have 4 and 3? we do. The answer is 67. What if I do this? What if I say, how much is 4 plus 63? Even if I swap this add-in and that add-in, I still have the same numbers. I still have 4 and 63. The answer is still 67. All right. Let's try something else. You know that you can solve a problem using drawings. You can solve a problem using number bonds. You can solve a problem counting on. You can solve a problem counting back. You can solve a problem using number sentences. There are many ways to solve a problem. Even if we used number bonds, there's still ways in the number bonds that people might think differently. It doesn't mean that it's wrong. It means that it's different. In our lessons now, we have more freedom to do different thinking because we have learned the different ways of doing the drawings, the number bonds, counting on, counting back, number sentences, and other things I didn't even write down. So if I gave you the problem, 23 plus 57 equals 80. There's several ways to solve this. And even if you use one method, you might want another method to help you. For an example, I like to use number bonds and drawings. Sometimes I like to use number bonds and counting on, or number bonds and counting back. It's okay to do that. So, I might decide, or you might decide, to do 3 and 20. Or, you might decide to do 20 and 3. These are both still correct. It's two ways of doing the same problem. Here, we might take 57 plus 20. I'm going to write 20 first because it's right there. 20 plus, and the 57 is here, equals 77. Over here, I might decide to take the 3 and add it to the 57, which would give me 60. We're not finished yet. So we have our 77 here. We have our 60 here. The number we didn't use here was 3. The number we didn't use here was 20. same problem with two different kinds of thinking to figure out that the answer was 80. Let's get ready to do our problem set. I'll see you in the next video.